Guys, this is day 8 of me knitting on.
8 and she's not eating. Because you're so slow.
Of me knitting on the Care Sweater by the Craya Baya. Oh my gosh, I don't even know why I just did that. Anyway, and I know I said I was gonna start early, but I went to the post office and I was standing in line for 50 minutes because of Christmas. Anyway, so now it is 1:21 p.m. right now. Still great, better than 7 p.m. So I think I know I still have time to finish the chart because I was zooming through it yesterday and I have way more time than I did yesterday. No, I have way more time today than I did yesterday. So I just gotta get on my Zoom. And that's it, but I'm ready to knit. I ate, I feel great. So let's get it. Here's Onyx. Say hey, Onyx.
Hey, Onyx.
So I'm on row, okay, I'll just hold it. So I'm on row 17 out of 21 of the chart, and this sweater is looking so good. The chart is so easy. Like, this is the best introduction to in and around colorwork, because I've done flat colorwork on my own with my poppy sweater and my MLB World Series sweater. Like, that was the first time I ever did colorwork flat, colorwork in general and colorwork flat, but this is my first time doing colorwork in a round following a chart in a pattern, and it is so easy. It is way easier to do colorwork in a round than it is to do it flat. Like if I don't ever have to do colorwork in flat again, I will never do that because it is so easy to do this in a round. Anyway, my sweater is looking like this so far. You can definitely see the color work pattern working up now. Oh my gosh, this looks amazing. When you're doing color work, you cannot see how it's turning out because you're so close into your project, and you can only really see the pattern when you're like super far. Oh my gosh. So seeing it like this, I'm like, oh my gosh, this is what it's looking like. Are you serious right now? Like, it looks so crazy close up and jumbled all together, but seeing it like this, it's like, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It looks so good. Anyway, it is 6:52 and I have, did I say I'm on row 17? I mean, I'm on row 18. So I have 3 more to go after row 18, and that'll be it for the chart. And then I just literally knit stockinette after that. That's so easy. So let's do that. Not knit the stockinette. I'm just gonna finish the chart tonight, and then we'll definitely start the stockinette part tomorrow. So let's get it. Guys, I finished the chart. It is 9:10. Boom. Chart is, let me just cut this because I don't even need it. Oh gosh, okay.
I accidentally split it.
Cut that. It's finished. Oh my gosh, it looks so good on camera.
Wait, you're done?
Yeah.
With the chart, girl, it's a short one.
Yeah, I'm doing the short version. Isn't it so cute? Ooh, it looks so nice. Oh, I don't even need these stitch markers anymore. These stitch markers help me a lot. Like,
Stitch markers for what?
I get it, because you repeat the set 11 times and it's 22 stitches like per set, and it's like once you finish a set, like I get to my next stitch marker and I know like it's the chart's repeating again. So that definitely helped me, especially since I'm new to this. As an advanced beginner, you know, I needed as much help.
Shut up.
I moved up to an advanced beginner.
She's not an advanced beginner. She's literally advanced.
So this is what it looks like. And now all I have to do is just continue knitting the body, which is just stockinette in gray. No more of the color until I get to the sleeves.
That's a lot of progress, wow.
Right? And this is what the inside looks like. So cool, because you can still see the design. Anyway, this is actually it for the night. I'm not doing anything past that point because I wanted to finish the chart, and I did. So that's it for tonight, and I will continue everything else tomorrow.
Bye.
It's day 9. I feel like I should be done with the body already, but I'm not. I am here. I think we saw this in day 8. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Are you serious? I just did a couple of rows today, but that's really it. I like started knitting like 2 hours ago or something, and it was like slowly, so I haven't gotten a lot done. But I really don't have a goal today either, because I'm trying to play Fortnite later as well. So, and I want to read as well too. So I have a lot of hobbies to get done today on top of knitting. So, and then it's like all I have to do is just continue knitting stockinette, and then I do my ribbing, and that's it. So this is going to be relatively easy. I just have to like lock in and really, because it's very hard to see progress when you're only knitting stockinette. Like when I'm doing color work, I can start seeing the chart being worked up and stuff, but since this is plain stockinette now, it's like, okay, let me lock in and really try to finish this so I can, you know, move on because I want to do my collar, because I'm actually going to do a folded collar this time. Usually I just cut it short and just do like a regular flat collar, but this time I will fold it, but I'm going to sew it down instead of doing like that folded collar technique that I still don't know how to do 3 years later. Anyway, so all I have to do is stockinette, so let's get this stockinette going. Okay, this is all I have left of the ball that I showed you guys. I knitted 1/2 inch, so now I have 2.5 inches to knit now for before I get to the body ribbing. And that's it. But this is what it's looking like so far, now that I got a good chunk after the color work. It's actually starting, you can actually kind of see what it's looking like. I can't wait to block it because it looks crazy right now, but once it's blocked, I know it's gonna relax and be nice. I actually can't wait to do the collar next. That's what I'm really excited for, because once I do the collar, I always feel like the sweater is like complete in a way, because it's like I can really see the vision. But that's it for tonight. I'll finish the rest of, and I don't know what I'm gonna finish tomorrow. We'll just see what happens. Bye.